Welcome back here to Punta Cana. All you can see, I am at Arena Gorda today. I read the first post of some hotels complaining about the seaweed, so I went to check it out for you guys. And I'm here between the Hard Rock Hotel and the Riu Republica. Just a quick visit in my lunch break to give you an idea how it is. We are here end of May 2022 and the summer just started. It's already very hot, so usually if we have seaweed, we have it over the summer. And I take you for a quick walk before I go back to work. Let's check it out. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you have a little idea and you're not too scared to come, but the summer is just starting and you know it's not predictable. The seagrass is just not predictable, so the best thing is if you come here to already know that you're gonna make the best of your vacation whatever happens. That's the only recipe that you need, and then you can have a very good time here in Punta Cana. I see you in the next video. Next time we have a little bit more of adventure. So come back here on Friday and check out the next video.